Good morning. Isabella, ti tro me? Nico, what are you eating?
Cheese.
Yes. Where's mommy today?
Sleeping in the bath.
Why? Because Isabella said wake up mommy so early when to start.
Wake up.
And said wake up Nico also. Oh, mommy's got to sleep. So say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, well.
There.
Good thing there.
Ina jag keep wings.
Zeg je Nico? Wat zeg je dat best?
Ina jag vallar med wings Nala. Baba ina na vallar med wings Nasa.
Zie.
Ina na vallar med wings Nasa. Hey baby. Hey baby. Papa.
Zeg je liet aan? Wat is? Nico? Cornflakes, ja. Nico?
Oh, Bella likes this one.
Going on the line, I've got my binoculars.
I've got my binoculars. Not scared.
Oh, look at that tall, waving grass.
It's so tall.
Can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
I've got my binoculars.
I've got my binoculars.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared. Hello everyone, good morning. I've got my coffee. Alex is here. Sorry about breakfast in my teeth. Alex is here because it's raining. He got up first with the kids, which was really nice. I'm loving this wet weather. So I was in bed until 8:30 again, which was good because Bella was up really early this morning. It was well before 7. I'm not sure exactly what the time was, but it was really dark. And she woke up her brother as well. Well,
Daddy and Nika.
they're on the trampoline, but you have to put some trousers on, okay? Because it's cold outside. So Bella was just making some more salt dough decorations. It's only about 9 o'clock and we've already done music, a dance party, and salt dough, hide and seek. We also had to empty our dehumidifier. It beeped in the early hours this morning and it was full, so that it had collected 6 litres of water since yesterday when I turned it on. So in less than 24 hours it had collected 6 litres of water from the air. And the humidity level dropped to 54. I've actually set it to 50 now because I had it on 55. So yeah, we'll see how it copes with that. Right now it's at 63 because we didn't get up when it beeped, so it's playing catch up now. But yeah, I'll show you what we do today. So, not sure how that washing's going to do over there. This one should be okay because we've got this. But look at this rain. Oh. What are you doing, Bella? Darling, no, I've got my coffee. I'm going to stay here. Whoa. Yeah, luckily there's a nylon roller thing over there which stops the rain coming in. Huh? Wow.
Πες μας, τι θέλετε να πεις να μας?
Don't go, Mommy.
Playing by themselves. I gotta hang out the clothes, my darling.
Yeah. I open a door so you can hang out
The clothes.
Look at the Kerkyra.
Picked up the camera for a while. Isabella, in your timeout.
No.
So Alex was here, the boys had a little sleep and I was doing some editing when they were sleeping and sorting out some other clothes because there's always clothes to do. So Nico's just having his tea. What have you got? It looks like yogurt. Looks like he's got takeaway, but this is our leftover veg from yesterday that he loves. It was some leftover sweet potato chips and broccoli with some garlic mushrooms, plus his snack that he didn't eat earlier, and yogurt. And Isabella, who's turned her nose up at lunch, which, trust me, although sounds unusual for kids to eat squid, potatoes and carrot, for us it's not unusual. So yeah, I gave it to her for tea again and she still doesn't want any. So it looks like it's going to be breakfast, huh?
No, I'm not hungry.
Yeah, Alex has just popped out. Yeah, so kids are just having tea. Bella doesn't look like she's going to eat anything. So she's going to be very hungry.
No, I'm not.
I love them to bits, but I don't cave on things like this because this is just pure stubbornness. And trust me, if anyone has a stubborn, strong-willed, energetic child like mine, like you just have... Oh, you want a wine? Oh, look. You just have to put your foot down and keep your foot down sometimes, because if you just change things up even once... I've got it, there you go. If you change things up even once with Isabella, that's it. She'll remember that and then play that card next time. So, yes. Anyway, so Alex shouldn't be long. He's going to nip into the shop on the way back as well to get some bread. And he should be back in time for bedtime, so I won't have to do that on my own. It is dark. Should I put the light on?
No.
No? It's to make the beds.
But now we want to do bind.
Right, you can have 5 minutes doing that then, okay? And then we'll make the beds. Okay?
We got us money. Coming a slide. Visit.
Ah, here I am. What a lovely day. Do you know the Itsy Bitsy Spider song?
Was a spider out.
That's it.
Spider out. Yeah. Let's do it again.
When I'm filming. Okay, you eat how you want, Monomo. We have, it's called super. It's basically just a really thin soup with carrot, celery, chicken, lemon, and salt and pepper. That's our tea for tonight, and I'm just editing the vlog that needs to upload overnight for tomorrow. So Alex is laughing at me now. Anyway, so hopefully it's gonna be able to upload, and that's what. I've got something else to do today. Anyway, I'm blabbing now, it doesn't matter. So I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Good night, guys.